morning we get up and wonder if they're going to come today to work on the boat or if it's going to be too rainy. We have a super fine mist most mornings and 80% chance of rain almost every day. Because it's hard to get anything done outside on the deck when it keeps raining.
Good morning, friend. Just want to give a little update on the progress on the deck this morning. They're down to, they only like to lay 2 sheets of nonskid. They have the rest down already, and they have about 60% of it taped off and sanded with the bevel edge that will lead up to it. So we're getting close to being ready to painting. Another 2 days probably of laying non-skid and prepping and beveling up the edge and sanding. And then they'll spend a couple of days taping everything off so that they can paint it and not get paint on certain areas. Today we're going to go up to a little eco lodge and remote Mayan community. It's actually the one we hiked to in a different video, seacacar. So we're going to try to ride up there, but we have no idea what the road is like other than they say only 4-wheel drives can get up it. And it has rained for the past 3 days, so it may be a muddy mess and we may just have to turn around, but we're going to go check it out and see.
The gas station attendant said it wasn't muddy, but it might be muddy.
I should pass this guy. Ducks in the road. Dog in the road, pig in the road, man on bicycle in the road. Everybody's in the road.
Share the road, as they say.
Yeah.
There's a cop behind us with those lights on.
You think he's trying to pull us over or get around us?
I'm not sure.
Looks like he's trying to pass you. I don't know whether to try to pull over. I mean, they have their lights on a lot, don't they?
Yeah, they do. And he doesn't have a siren on, so
Now
there he goes.
Coming around. Hello.
Buen día.
What it is?
¿Para dónde vas, cabrón?
Seacacar?
Seacacar.
Yeah.
Ah, cámara.
Sí.
No hay patojos, no hay hijos.
No hijos, no.
Es más, hay que dejar hijos, si no está jodido. ¿Quién va a recibir la herencia?
I don't know what you're saying.
No entiendo.
No entiendes.
Mucho poco español.
Hijos.
Nuestros hijos son adultos en Estados Unidos, no aquí con nuestro.
Pero tienen hijos,
¿Tiene hijos tú? ¿Muchos? Dos.
Una hembra y un macho. Hembra y macho. ¿Vos? Apolonia. Apolonia era el gringo. Apolonia.
No sé.
Apolonia.
Apolonia.
¿Es vecino aquí?
Ajá, vino a pasear, venía a pasear, pero no tenía moto.
Sí.
Sí, venía.
Sí.
Vamos en mi moto, lo llevo.
Más mejor.
Cuídate, cabrón.
Sí.
Mucho gusto. ¿Cómo te llamas? Daniel, mucho gusto.
Is this a trail up to somebody's home?
Wow.
I mean, we're pretty close now to seacacar, so I guess we don't go back up. I mean, because it's down on the water, so guess it does make sense. It just seems like it's high up. Seacacar, think about it being high up. You know, because we hike up there, I guess. But it's not much higher than the river level. Yeah, it's going to be a plow coming up here, though. Here we are at Seacacar. We drove up from the Rio up the road to Seacacar, and it was quite a wild road. It was a lot busier than we were expecting. Lots of trucks hauling people down and quite a few motorcycles. There's some narrow corners to meet people on, but I almost wiped out once, but other than that, it was all good. She's unfazed. He's unfazed. Unfazed. Hello. Buenos días.
Hola.
Sí, agua botella. Agua botella. Agua pura. These corners are the worst part, where you can't see if someone's coming.
Yes, but I have it.
It's clear. Do you have me?
Yes.
Oh.
Thank God.
Yeah, but I'm not much in front of you. Maybe a second or two.
True.
Notice, but
True.
that's about it. Wet dinghy ride?
Huh?
Wet dinghy ride?
It's very wet, like you can see. But Carlos was there. Came running down the dock.
Nice music.
Oh, it's over.
Hey, Don. You use that?
Maybe you know the next one.
Probably. It's so good radio. Bad weather for good people working.
He took the lead. Margaret followed close behind, and Decker brought up the rear. They first had to climb up from the ledge where they'd spent the previous 2 nights and make their way past the wreckage. Okay, what are you making for Taco Tuesday?
Sorry, but it's not tacos.
Why not?
It's just eggs. Chicken and eggs.
Can't you make chicken and egg tacos?
You want chicken and egg? We do have some tortillas, so you can have yours on a taco if you want.
Yeah, that kind of sounds good. Anything on a tortilla is better. Oh, and there goes the eggs. No, why no?
También.
Sí, muy guapo, muy guapo.